When this freeloading socialist gave his sob story about not being able to find a job, PBD offered him one, only for him to respond with one ridiculous excuse.
Ngayon sa Pinoy Extreme, pag-uusapan natin yung klase ng mindset ng mga workforce, hindi lang sa ibang bansa, pati na rin dito sa Pilipinas, na kung saan yun yung isa sa malaking factor kung bakit hindi sila nakakapag-contribute sa society nila. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Let's do this!
This is Pinoy Extreme.
So what do we do to basically ensure that people like myself who are currently, thank you to the United States, thank you to the state of California for giving me medical insurance to get blood work, for giving me food stamps so I can have food. I've applied to, I don't know how many hundreds of jobs. I can show you the receipts. I can show you the email confirmations. Like, I am trying my best to use my values with the freedom that we have
So
here.
if I give you a job, you would work 40 hours a week?
If the job is in alignment with something that's noble and good, I think I could. The issue is, right now, substitute teaching is making it so that I'm able to scratch by. I'm in a position where I have options. I'm trying
I think
to
you're too
discriminate.
selective for jobs right now. You don't have the ability to be selective at this stage.
O, di ba? It's like, naka-coupons ka for food, naka-charity ka dun sa kung ano-anong service, but sobrang pili mo sa trabaho na hindi mo kayang magtrabaho sa kung ano yung available. Lalo na sa kung ano yung skill na meron ka. Hindi ka pwedeng maging mapili sa mga trabaho kung wala ka namang demand doon sa skill na meron ka. Hindi mo pwedeng isalpak yung beliefs mo sa pagtatrabaho, lalo na kung yung trabahong ino-offer sa'yo, wala namang illegal. Hindi mo pwedeng isalpak yung woke belief mo at ayawan yung mga available na trabaho dahil lang sa tingin mo, immoral yung mga trabaho na ino-offer sa'yo ngayon. And dito rin sa Pilipinas, di ba? Ayaw nila ng mababang sweldo, pero ayaw din nila mag-improve ng sarili nila. Napaka-choosy nila para sa isang empleyado na eto lang yung kayang gawin. Tapos, i-inflate nila yung value nila by saying, oh, I'm essential worker kasi kung wala kami, hindi tatakbo ng maayos yung kumpanya. Yes, but it does not mean na yung value mo, yung monetary value mo, kasing halaga ng manager, ng supervisor, or ng CEO. Gets? Hindi mo pwedeng i-overinflate yung value mo dahil lang sa pag wala kayo, hindi nagagana yung kumpanya. No, you are replaceable. The fact na maraming tao yung may skill na kagaya mo, you are replaceable. And wala kang karapatang magreklamo unless you improve yourself. Okay? And go climb the ladder. Because every step doon sa ladder na inaakyat mo means you are gaining a skill valuable enough para bayaran ka ng mas mataas doon sa previous position na meron ka. Diba? Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.